How to find trending songs on YouTube. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you. Now let's head to the video. First, you open the YouTube app, and on the top left you click on the icon, on the navigating icon, and click on trending, and here you click on music. Once here you can see the famous music songs that are right now trending, but this is not available to use in your videos. So you have to go back and you have to click on the plus icon here. Once you click on the plus icon here, there will be an option of add songs, and for here to find the trendy songs that you can use in your videos, here you'll find an option of top sounds. Like for example, these are the top 5 songs that are used in, like for example, this song is used in 1.4 million shots, this is used in 1 million songs. So this is how you can search the top songs that have been used in a YouTube short. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.